We hear a lot of talk about adding value. Everybody wants to add value, but I can tell you most people are going about it the wrong way. You're adding value in the wrong areas. It may seem smart to you, it may seem like knowledge that everybody wants to have. However, that's probably not what your prospect is looking for. There's so many websites out there that teach people how to buy a house, how to get pre-approved. So therefore, we don't really need you to make another video about that. And the buyers, they definitely don't need you to do that. So when you provide value, the first thing you have to look at is who is your target audience and what are they asking for? So you're going to do a simple Google search and you're going to do some demographic research. Find out where your target audience is hanging out, what questions they are asking. There's tons of tools out there that'll let you do SEO research, but this is going to be your first step. Once you know that, you're going to start providing value for the places that actually interest them. So if, for example, you have someone who loves golf, right? Tie in golf to working with you as a real estate agent. It's going to be very attractive to your audience and it's going to capture their attention. If you're working in a specific market or a specific niche, a price point, all of your content should be related to that. That's how you're going to provide value. We have to get outside of just providing that general real estate knowledge because that's what everybody's doing and there's enough of it out there. So think about how you can really provide value to people. It'll make a huge difference in who your content reaches, therefore getting you higher quality leads.